Hi, it's Wade here. I'd like to take a moment of your time to let you know that at Lexus of Adelaide, the health and safety of both our guests and our staff are our highest priority. We understand that your needs may be changing and you may not be able to visit the dealership right now. Be rest assured, we are here for you. We are still anticipating your needs, and while conscious of social distancing, we will continue to offer home test drives where we'll bring a new or pre-owned vehicle to you for a contactless test drive. Of course, the vehicle's high touch points will be thoroughly sanitised before and after you test drive. If your vehicle is due for a service, we'll collect it, deliver you a loan car and return it thoroughly cleaned and sanitised inside and out. Rest assured, our team are taking extra precautions right now. During your vehicle service, our technicians will wear fresh gloves and apply temporary seat covers to minimise contact with your vehicle. And we'll also sanitise high touch points, including the steering wheel, door handles and gear lever before returning the vehicle to you. Our entire team remain available to answer any questions that you may have at this time. And we sincerely thank you for your continued support during these unprecedented times. Thank you.